Okay guys, so as you walk in my front door, this is what you see. And so since this is a spring home tour, I'm going to show you some of the things that I bring out in the spring and summertime. So I'm just going to start in the living room, and I have my rug linked in the description box and these coffee tables, by the way. But this flower is from TJ Maxx. It's old, I've had it for years and years, but they're like my favorite place to go for flower arrangements because I feel like they're really affordable there, and they always have a bunch to choose from, and it has like the glass vase. But yeah, I got that at TJ Maxx a really long time ago. And then over here on the couch, the white pillows are from Walmart, and then I have these really cute floral pillows that I got from the at-home store, and you might be able to find them online. I'll see if I can find them and link them. And then the blanket is from TJ Maxx as well. They have really nice throw blankets for a really good price there, I feel. I think it was like 10 bucks, and it's really soft, but I love it for spring. Okay, and then heading over here, the same thing, the same pillows, and then over here on this coffee table, I have this really cute stuffed bunny. My friend actually makes these, and she sent me one. I am obsessed. I think it's just so cute. And it has a little tail. And I love the lace detailing and the pretty little flower that like makes it pop. But these are so cute. I will have her information linked in the description box if you guys want to check her out. She makes those, and I just think they're so adorable. But yeah, everything else on the table, the lamp is from Walmart. The flower arrangement is from, I think, Kirkland's. And this really cute little pedestal is from Boxwood and Binky's. I always have her linked in the description box as well. And then that Ansign, I think I got that at Kirkland's. Alright, and then heading over to my fireplace, I got that carrot banner from the Target dollar spot. I thought it was really cute, and for $3, it just added a little something. And then right here, I have this little birdie that I also got from the Target dollar spot. I think it was $1. They had a bunch of different colors, but I liked the pink. And then they also had these little bird houses, and I think they had different colors in these as well. And I think they were only $3. So moving over here, I got this candle at TJ Maxx, and then I got this bunny there as well. They had a bunch of cute stuff up at the register, so that's where I found her. I just love her dress. The pink and the floral is so pretty, and she's just so cute, and she's kind of weighted. Well, her ears are laced too. I gotta show you that. That's so cute. But her butt is weighted, so she kind of sits up there real easily, and I like that. I think they have like sand in there. Okay, and then just for my desk, I don't really have anything extra special, but I do keep this flower arrangement on my desk, and I think I got this one at Kirkland's actually. Yeah, I just got that at Kirkland's. And then the lamp, probably Walmart, but I honestly can't remember, but probably Walmart. And then this little drawer I get asked about a lot, I got this at Target. Okay, and then moving over here, my husband made this table. He found the plans on Pinterest. They're on a white X console table, and then he just made it per the measurements that I wanted. But over here, I just have a flower arrangement, probably, let's see if I still have the tag on it. Threshold, so Target. So this is actually a Target flower arrangement. And then, again, the lamp is from Walmart. And then, I am obsessed with these as well, you guys. I just think these are so cute. And again, the same girl who made my bunny makes these, so I'll have her information linked for you guys if you want to get some. But she can personalize them to say pretty much anything you want. And then on top here, I got this little bunny in the dollar spot. And then he had the opening. And I think it would be really cute to stick some carrots in there, but when I got this like last year or the year before, they didn't have them. They just had these really cute little succulents, which they have this year as well. And I just stuck a succulent in him, but I saw the carrots this year and I thought they would be really cute. Okay, so moving into the dining room, first I'll tell you where the table is from because I get asked a lot. It is from Ashley Furniture and it's the Marcelona. So it's the countertop height or the bar height one, and I love it so much. And it does have a leaf in the middle, so it gets much bigger. Over here on the mirror, I got that magnolia wreath from Kirkland's, and then again I got the egg garland thingy or the egg banner from the Target dollar spot. And for my table centerpiece, I got this little tray in the dollar spot at Target a really long time ago. And then the candle I'm burning is a lemon one from Kirkland's. It's sugar dusted lemon. I don't love the way it smells. It smells really good, but when it's burning, it doesn't smell as good. I'm not a huge fan of their candles, but it was really pretty. So I'm burning that up. And then I have the little bunny again that I got from the Target dollar spot. And then I have this really cute milk jug from Hobby Lobby, and the flowers are from Hobby Lobby as well. Okay, and then moving over here to this corner shelf, I got this a long time ago, guys, like probably 10 years ago from Walmart. And I got the little flower arrangement here from, gosh, I don't even know. It's so old. Let me see. There's no tag. I don't know where I got this, guys. Probably Kirkland's or Hobby Lobby. And then the Target dollar spot. My piggy cookie jar is from Kirkland's. I love him. He is so cute. And then again, this is another one of the little book sets that she made for me. And it says, "This is us," and I just love it. Okay, so this is my kitchen. And I have a few things out in here for spring, so I'm going to take you through and show you. So the first thing that I have is this little lavender plant, and I got this at TJ Maxx. And then my cousin actually made these for me because I used them as centerpieces for a baby shower that I threw, and when we were done I took a couple. I love them. I think they're so cute to set like candles and plants and stuff on. So that's where I got that. And then over here I have this hand towel, and I actually got this from, for the life of me, I cannot remember where I got it, but I know that places like Home Goods and TJ Maxx have some out right now that are really cute, so those are good places to check, but I cannot remember where I got it. So over here in my sink area, I have another one of those really cute little pedestals, and again, I have her information linked in the description. And then I have my Grove spring stuff out right now, and you can get all of this stuff for free right now. If you check the description box, I have the link, but I have the Peony Scent, and somebody wasn't happy with how I pronounced that, but that's just how I pronounce it. It's how I always have, so I can't really change that now, but I think it's really pretty. I love the packaging and I love the smell. And then I got the little flower arrangement from Michael's actually. They had them clearanced, and then I got the little milk jug in their glassware aisle. And I made that really cute little flower arrangement, and I think it was less than 10 bucks altogether. And then over here, my little birdie, I've had him here for a while. I just got him at Walmart last year during the spring and summertime, so they might have them out again. And I just have my little garbage disposal planks in there, and I think it fits perfectly, and I just love him. So again, this is just an overview of my kitchen. If you guys are interested in a full home tour, I have a recent one, semi-recent. It was a couple months old, but it's the most recent. I will link it in the description box if you want to go check it out and see where anything else is from that maybe I did not mention. And in that one, I go through every single room in my house.